Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami star. Before we jump into this video, if you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification to be alerted of new crafty fun video when they come out. So to make an origami star, you need one square shaped sheet. The first thing, you have to take your sheet of paper and fold it in half to create a triangle. Now you have to unfold it and repeat the same thing in the other direction. Crease that in. And unfold it. Now let's fold the entire thing horizontally in half to create a rectangle. Unfold it, rotate and repeat the same thing on the other side. Crease it in. Unfold it. Now let's fold the entire thing in half. Again diagonally. And we are going to take notice of this crease over here that we just made on the left side. We are going to take the top flap only and we are going to fold it over along that crease that you just made it. Once you have done that, you have to push up with your right hand and flatten. And so now what you have is a square on the right side and triangle on the left side. And here how the top view look. Now let's take the right side and we are going to push inward towards the middle like this and then flank. So now you notice that there are two flap on the right side and also two flap on the left side. We have to take one of the flaps on the left and move it over to the right like this. And now let's rotate it so that triangle is facing towards us. Now you have to take the one with the three flaps, so the right side, and you have to fold it diagonally to that center crease, the right over here, so that crease it in very well and then unfold it. Now let's take the top flap only and bring it over to the left side, so that now we have two on the left and two on the right. Now we are to focus on this last flap on the right side, so the one on the bottom, and you notice how there is a crease that we made earlier. Now you are going to fold it over along that crease, so you have to put your thumb in here, fold it over along that crease and then flatten, and then just flatten with your left hand and allow it to do what it naturally want to do. So now you have the 2 points at the bottom and two large one on either side. So here how it look like from that side. Now let's take the right flap and we are going to fold it along this crease, folder over to the left. If you imagine this being one, this being another one, and this being another one, you can kind of gauge where you want it. So you can go like that or like this, angle it however you want. I am going to put it right about over here and crease it in. And you are going to do the same thing on the left side. So to take this flap, fold it over the right, and then you are going to do the same thing on the left side. So take this flap and fold it over to the left. Make sure it's somewhat symmetrical line, then crease it in. Now you have got your star, and this is the back side, and flip it over to the front, and this is how you can make an origami star. Take the gum and paste it all open areas so that it will stick together, it will not open again. Now I will draw some shape on my star. I will give the smiley face to the star. Thank you for watching my video. If you are new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and like my channel and turn on the notification to be alerted of a new video when they come out. Thank you. Bye.